Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Panasonic GH5, and now I'm gonna show you all you need about 4K live cropping in the settings. So to find this feature, you need to open the settings, then find camera menu, scroll very down and find here 4K live cropping. And here inside we have several settings. So here we have off, 20 sec, 40 sec. So while you set off, so the camera doesn't apply any live cropping to your footage. So live cropping is the future on the camera. So this feature allows you to create dynamic shots by digitally cropping into your 4K footage during recording. So during recording, okay. So here is, for example, when you enable off, so video will be recorded without any cropping effects, 20 sec. So this option enables the 4K live cropping feature with a duration of 20 seconds. During recording, the camera will gradually pan, tilt or zoom into the frame over the course of 20 seconds, creating a smooth and dynamic effect. So 40 sec. This is similar to the 20-second option, but with a longer duration of the 40 seconds, and that's it. So this allows for a more extended period of dynamic cropping effects during recording. This setting maybe gives you flexibility between one and second one options. Unfortunately, I don't know how to set it up, for example, to 60 seconds. I think that 60 seconds is very good setting, but unfortunately I really don't know how to do that. Okay, if you know, please explain it in comments. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.